Hi, today I'm running XIAOMI 13 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open the notification panel, and if you wanna add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should just click to this edit icon, and to add some options to our panel we should click on each of these green pluses. Just to remove some of the options we should click on these red minuses, and to change the positions of the icons we should just hold the icon and drag it by this way. Just to save the changes, click to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.